first we need to peel and slice a knob of ginger into rounds. Use the back of a spoon to make quick work out of the peeling. Next, peel and smash 4 cloves of garlic, and then you're going to add these to a saucepan with 2 cups of white vinegar and 1 cup of water. To that, we'll add 4 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of salt, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. Place the pan on the stove and bring it up to a boil. Simmer for a few minutes and then remove it from the heat. Slice a jalapeno into thin rounds and then trim up the carrots by removing their greens and cutting them down to fit the jars as necessary. Distribute the carrots evenly between 2 pint-sized jars and then sprinkle the jalapenos over the top. Pour the warm brine over to cover and then use your fingers to get in there and tuck in a few pieces of ginger and garlic. Cover the jars and store in the refrigerator for up to a few months. They'll be ready in as little as a couple hours, and the longer they sit, the stronger they'll get. Woo!